Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to talk about adding a downloader to your smart TV. Now this is going to vary between pretty much every smart TV. So for an Android TV, you would just go to your Google Play Store and search for downloader and install the app and follow the prompts. For a Samsung TV, you should open up your internet browser for that. And you can download content directly from the websites. Then connect an external device like an Amazon Fire Stick or an Android TV box. This is similar for an LG TV. For Roku TVs, you'd need to screen mirror, then download the files to your phone or PC, then screen mirror them onto your TV. Now to do this, you need to make sure you have screen mirroring enabled. Now to check that, you just go to Settings, System, then down to Screen Mirroring. That's it for this one, guys. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.